Hey guys, it's Sean Lowry here, the logger from North Carolina. I'm here with Dave Seegers, and we're here in Orlando, Florida, at a marketer mastermind event. Like I say, in a 12-bedroom mansion right here. But I'm gonna let him give his take on Legendary Marketer, because he's been in Legendary Marketer for about a good year now. And like I say, he's a veteran here in the game. You know what I'm saying, with this Legendary Marketer, and he's got some knowledge I want him to share with y'all here today on this here quick video.
Hey everybody, as Sean said, my name is Dave, and I've been in Legendary Marketer now for about a year, just coming up middle of June or so. And before Legendary Marketer, I was going through what I call the internet jungle, trying to hack my way through to find this platform, right? Because there's just so much stuff out there, and it's so easy to become lost in just the plethora of tools and techniques and advertising, and you sign up for one thing and people start sending you emails about all different types of things, and you get confused and lost. So I was in that jungle for a long time, but somehow through the grace of God, I don't even know how it happened, but eventually I found Legendary Marketer, and for the last year I really disconnected the best I could from everything else, and I've just been totally focused on this. And I have to say, this is the first platform that I've used where I've actually been able to get a measure of success. Right? After a year, I'm not at the place where I ultimately know I'm going to be. Mm-hmm. However, I've proven to myself that if you follow the steps, the system works. And that was my first real thing. Like, is this really a true business? And the way that I validated that was by getting to know the people that were behind the business.
Oh yeah.
Right? So having, in that year's time, had the opportunity to spend some one-on-one time with David Sharp, who's the founder and CEO of this business, with Larry Beecham, who is the director of coaching. There's other, very prominent internet marketers like Mark Harbert, who, I've had the chance to not only spend some time with and learn from, but to actually become friends with.
Yeah.
And so for me, over the last year, this has just been like an incredible journey. And as you said, okay, we're in a 12-room mansion. We're sitting in the movie theater in this home.
Yeah, look.
You can see it, right? It's just being rented out to us. So it's not like we own this, and we're not trying to put up any kind of, false impressions. We just rented it like we would rent a hotel, but it was just a much more intimate setting for us all to get together. And so, in the year that I've been here, I don't like to talk about money, because that's the most important part of it, is the things that I've learned.
Yeah, that's the most important.
And the change that I've gone through as a person. So as I was explaining to you before, I'm an IT manager. I've been working in IT, started out as a computer programmer, then advanced to become a manager, and now I have, teams of people that work for me. And I actually really enjoy what I do as an employee. But as I look to the next phase of my life, I'm looking to really not just retire and kick back and do nothing, but to find a way to develop an online business that would allow me to expand the value that I'm able to deliver to other people. That's truly like my heart impulse, is to find a way to help other people, because I still have so many ideas on things like problems to solve, and ways that you see people out there that have needs, and that you have a way to help them to address those needs. And going through using the internet is just like, to me, the most incredible way that you could use to do that, right?
Get in front of them,
To get in front of them, and you can reach people around the world.
Yeah.
Okay. 24/7, even while you're sleeping, you could be delivering value to other people. So to me, especially being a technology guy,
it's like second nature to you.
It's like a no-brainer, right? That you'd want to do this. But I'll tell you, from being here for the last year, one of the things that I've appreciated more than like the things that you learn, like the education, and even like the personal development transformation, David Sharp and the organization here, Legendary Marketer, has been able to attract such an incredible group of people, and you being a very very prominent part of that community yourself.
We all are. We all make the community.
We make the
we make
community,
the
right?
yeah.
But what's so fascinating to me is that like I live in New Jersey, you're like North Carolina, right?
Yeah.
And we have very different jobs and occupations that we do.
IT, a logger.
IT and a logger of all things. Yet we have the same desire, right? And we have like the same mindset. And we've, over the short time that we've known each other, like been able to become friends.
Yeah.
Right. And so to me, that part of it is like priceless. Right. And even this weekend, there were people who I've never met before. And in spite of that, like I met someone by the name of Cecil, right?
Okay, yeah.
And I came to find out that he just joined in March. He lives in New Jersey, where I live, right? And while he doesn't do what I do, we have the same same desire, the same mindset.
Yeah.
And it's just like so fantastic to have a community of people that are like-minded and like to have the same kind of heart. Together. And so I appreciate you so much. And as much as we spend time here, and we not only get down to business and learn a lot of things and go through some very deep sort of personal development type things, but we also take the time to have some fun.
Oh yeah, we
right?
can have a little fun too.
You can have some fun too. And so I look forward. I know we were talking earlier about getting together and trying to swing some golf.
Play a little golf. Yeah.
We're gonna do that.
Yeah, we're gonna definitely do that. We got it on video. We're definitely gonna.
We're gonna do that. We're committing to ourselves and to you that one day we're gonna be taking a video of us on a golf course together, just swinging some golf. Not that we're good at it.
Yeah, not that we're good at it. We're by no means we're professionals here with the golf.
Not at all. But but this is all a part of it, right? It's like a lifestyle.
Yeah.
Right, that we're looking to build for ourselves. And so the one thing that I would say to people out there is that if you're looking to get involved in finding a way to make money online, and you're not trying to solve like some urgent need, like I need $100 tomorrow to pay my bill.
Yeah.
If you're in that situation, I would say, legendary marketer is not the thing for you. I would say even starting a business is probably not the thing for you. But if you're looking longer term to find a way to have financial freedom, to be able to earn really unlimited amounts of money that's just based upon your efforts, right, from anywhere in the world, then you owe it to yourself to check out Legendary Marketer. You owe it to yourself to get in touch with Sean, who's been here and who has had, a measure of success for himself in the short time that you've been here, because he can show you how to get plugged into the system, and he can help you to learn all of the things that you need to learn to be connected with a coach that can really work with you on a one-on-one basis to show you all of the steps of the process that you need to go through to be successful online.
Okay. Yeah, I appreciate that information, man. You did it. I appreciate this little interview we did here with you, Dave. You can say
absolutely, man.
Next time. And like I say, guys, if you want to get involved in this here thing, or this here's brought any kind of value to you, like I say, get with me. You can get with Dave. If you like Dave's story, you can get with Dave too. But hey, we'll see y'all. We'll see y'all later. Now, you hear?
See you.